In our last lesson, we stopped the infinite loop with our intervention. In this lesson, we will stop the loop with the keyword break and exit the loop. Subject to break is not used alone. With the if, we must bind it to certain conditions. For example, we can print the counter up to 17 and ask it to exit the loop after the counter is 17. Sometimes we may ask the program to perform routine repetitions under certain conditions. We can use break when we want the program to terminate when the conditions change. Let's demonstrate by applying our example. If we look at the result, the counter variable increased continuously and the loop was terminated after reaching the number 17. Out of the loop and back to the main program flow, we can see this in the output with the text we print with the println macro.